Good morning, students. Dear students, today you will learn the topic statistics and probability. And in this chapter, you will learn about the probability. In our day-to-day life, we generally use the words probably, likely, chances in many statements, such as first statement is this: most probably Isha will stand first in the annual examination. And second sentence, chances are high that this Friday will be holiday. In these two sentences, there is an element of uncertainty. Therefore, the probability is the measure of uncertainty. Next is experiment. What is experiment? Experiment means an action which can produce some well-defined outcomes. When we perform an experiment, it is called a trial of the experiment. Suppose we toss a coin. The two possible results are either head or tail. Tossing a coin is called trial of the experiment. An outcome of the trial is called an event. When we throw a dice, it is a dice, you see, it is 1, it is 4, it is 5, it is 3, it is 2, and it is 6. When we throw a dice, it is 3. You see it is 3. Then 6 possible events are here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by throwing a dice. Similarly, when we toss a coin, there are two possible outcomes, head or tail. In this way, tossing a coin or by when we throw a dice is called trial of the experiment. An outcome of the trial is called an event. So we have to find out probability. We will use probability with capital P. When we find out probability, an event number of favorable outcomes, divided by total number of outcomes of the experiments. It is the formula when we have to find out the probability of event. In dice, if we find the probability of 6, what is the favorable outcomes? 6 how many times? 1 time. Then favorable outcomes is 1 and total number of outcomes is 6. So probability of 6 in a dice is 1 by 6. It means number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcome of the experiment. If we have to find out the probability of 2 also 1 time, favorable outcomes 1 and divided by 6. If we toss a coin, what will the probability of head? Favorable outcomes head or tail. It is total outcomes. When we find out probability of head, how many times head? Favorable outcomes 1. And total outcome head and tail. It is 2. Then probability of head is 1/2. And probability of tail is also favorable outcomes 1/2. I hope the probability topic will be clear to you. Thank you.